Hey there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada, and I am excited to release the September 2022 Class to Go featuring this Birthday Piggy stamp set and the brand new coordinating dies. So this Birthday Piggy, this is a stamp set that is available in the 2022-23 annual catalog. However, for the month of September, Stampin' Up! Has come out with a Perfect Partners promotion where they've released 6 new die sets that coordinate with some of the stamp sets that they've already released in either the annual catalog or the holiday catalog. So the Playful Piggies dies is one of those die sets. So this die set coordinates and complements this Birthday Piggy stamp set. So Laura and I chose to do this because it's such an adorable stamp set, and we thought it would be something a little bit different. So how you can participate in this class. There are several different ways. First of all, option 1 includes half a package of the Brights 6x6 DSP, the Fun Flowers Resin Shapes, a full package, 2 yards of the black and white gingham ribbon, any additional consumable supplies you need to create the 6 different projects that we'll create this month. One of them includes a Fun Fold gift card holder, an emailed PDF, which includes a supply list, measurements, photos, and links to the videos showing you how to create all 6 projects. And you can get all of that for just $40 here in Canada. And if you need it shipped, then it's an additional $5. I can ship anywhere across Canada. So you'll get all of this product, 2 yards of this ribbon, and the 6 card kits, as well as that emailed PDF. Option 2, now, if you don't own this bundle, then this is the best option for you. You can purchase the bundle, the DSP, a full package of the DSP, and the Fun Flowers Resin Shapes, or a total of $95 using the class host code, which I will put in the description below. And I will send you 2 yards of this ribbon, as well as the emailed PDF and all 6 card kits, absolutely free as my thank you. All right. Let's see here. Option 3, if you are a member of my Treasure Stampers team, you can purchase a kit, so you'll get the pre-cut supplies. The only thing that's not included is the DSP. You'll have to have that for just $15. And if you are outside of Canada, unfortunately I can't send anything to you outside of Canada. However, the tutorial is available to purchase, and I will link that in the description below. Okay, now as far as supplies, what you'll need to have on hand, and this is just a suggestion. If you don't have some of these supplies, you can either purchase them or you can use something similar. Okay, so you will need this Birthday Piggy and the coordinating die set. You'll need that. We've used 3 different ink pads. We've used Pool Party, Crumb Cake, and Memento Black. And we've used blending brushes for these 2 colors. Now, if you don't have blending brushes, you could use sponges or sponge daubers, finger daubers. And if you don't have these colors, then color similar will work just fine. And then you'll need some way to color in your adorable images. So we've used Stampin' Blends, and that is why we've chosen to use Memento Black as our ink. Now, if you wanted to use inks and a water painter, then you'll make sure that you switch out your black ink for StazOn ink, or there's any number of ways that you can color in. Okay, so again, these are the colors that we've used. You can switch them out to whatever colors you'd like. We've used Flirty Flamingo, Crumb Cake, Petal Pink, Daffodil, Granny Apple, Green, and Black. Okay, so those are the suggested supplies. Now, are you guys ready for a peek at the cards? Now, I do want to mention that this is a quick turnaround class because we have a feeling that maybe these dies might sell out. They are only available during the month of September or while supplies last. So you'll definitely want to participate in this class or purchase those dies or that bundle sooner than later so you don't miss out. Now these are 5 of the 6 cards. There's one that I didn't get a chance to create yet. All right, so I hope you decide to purchase. I hope you decide to participate in this class. I know you are going to love these adorable cards. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.